Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share answer key of Set-1 section B of mathematics. Let us see what is question number 21. If alpha and beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial px square plus qx plus r, then find the value of alpha cube into beta plus beta cube into alpha. See, in this question, alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha, we have to take common. There alpha and beta are common. You will see after taking common alpha square plus beta square, alpha beta as it is. अब alpha square plus beta square की वैल्यू पता है, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Just we have to put value now. This is product of 0 and this is sum of 0. I will find out sum of 0 and product of 0 from the given quadratic polynomial. Alpha plus beta, sum of 0 minus b by a, that is minus q by p, alpha into beta r by p. Now put this value in this alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, as I told on last. So just value we have to put. First they calculated alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta minus q by p its square minus 2 into alpha into beta r by p. So it will be q square by p square minus 2r by p. This is answer. Next, this complete value we have to find out. Then it is r by p. It was equal to alpha into beta, alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Just this one value is q square minus 2pr by p square. Alpha into beta value is r by p. Multiply with this, you will get r into q square minus 2pr by p cube. So this will be your final answer.